In today's video, I will show you how to create motion graphic tutorial in Canva on how to create product video ads using Canva Polaroid effect. Therefore, if you are a social media marketer, this video is surely for you. If you truly want to level up your business orientation, you are covered by Canva to actualize this very particular graphic motion animated tutorial. From the home page of the Canva, look for the video category, then click on it. From there, click on mobile video. The next thing, click on the page, then give it a background color. Click on the background color at the upper side there. Then click on this rust brown. Scroll up, click on add a new color. Then try to lighten it. It's okay this way. The next thing is to have your Polaroid camera. It's either you go to the elements, search for Polaroid camera, then click on graphics. As you can see, nearly all the Polaroid camera we're having here are pro. Therefore, if you encounter these, all you need to do, just go to any of your browser, then download Polaroid camera. For that, you are good to go. However, go to uploads to have the downloaded Polaroid camera on the design. Here it is. Then click on it in order to have it on the design. Increase the size a little bit. It's okay this way. The next thing, go to elements. See under Polaroid camera, just click on frames. Then click on this to have it there. Fix it here. Then under the elements, search for ground gradient background. Then click on photos. Here it is. Then you can select the free one apart from the pro elements. Therefore, insert this in the frame. The next thing, on your keyboard, click on letter T. Then type 50% off. Increase the size. Fix it here. Then change the color to white. Here it is. Come to the font type, then click on it. Then select Leaks pattern. Still reduce the size a little bit. Put it here. Select everything. Then group it together. Right click on this, duplicate. Then fix it here. Ungroup it. Then change it to the 50% of, change it to order now. Then the next thing, highlight it to group them together. Then group. Then fix it here. Still on the elements, look for Polaroid camera. Then under the category, click on frames. Select this. Then go to upload or elements to have your products on the design. This is the first one. Click on it, bring it here. Then fix it in the frame. The next thing, if you are not okay with the appearance of the photo, then double click on it, increase it. It's okay. Then the next thing, duplicate it again, fix it here. Then this, fix it up. For this, click on the photo, then bring it here. Here it is. Double click on it, increase the size. It's okay. duplicate, fix this here. Click on this to have it in the frame. It's okay this way. Then duplicate it, fix it on it. Here it is. Then fix it here. The next thing, highlight the products, the photos, then bring them here. It's okay this way. The next thing, click on position at the upper side there. Then under the layers, you are going to arrange the product very well, the way you want them to appear. Therefore, 50% off. Fix it here. Then the first one, bring this here as well. Then followed by this. Then the next thing, which is the last photo, fix it here. This is the way they are going to appear. Therefore, to animate the product art, this is what you are going to do. This is the first one. 50% off. Click on it. Then click on animate at the upper side there. Click on create animation. Create an animation. Then click on shift. Then drag this slowly to the up. Look at it. The next thing, go to the elements, search for flare, click on graphics, then select this, crop it, then fix it at the flash section of the camera. The next thing, click on animate. Then look for stump. Click on stump. Then fix it for both. The next thing you are going to do, reduce the size, the timing of the flare. Then fix it here. The next thing, go to elements. Then look for camera shutter. Then click on audio. Then scroll down to look for your preferred one. Then let's play this and see to how it sounds. Then select this to have it there. This is it. Then the next thing, click on the camera. Go to position. Layers. Then click on this. Shift it inwardly a little bit. Then let's play it. Let's play it again. Okay. The audio, likewise the flare and that of the photo, everything matches one another. Then the timing, reduce the timing to 4.0. Then before I proceed, the first page, click on it, click on the camera, then go to position. Click on the first picture, then click on animate, the speed, reduce the speed, movement style, click on it, fixed, steady, then click on done. Let's play it. For the second page, click on the page, then duplicate page. This is it. Then the next thing we are going to do, come to the audio, left click on it, then duplicate track, fix it here. The next thing, click on the camera, click on position. The first picture, click on it, then come to animate. To deactivate it, click on delete parts, then click on position again. The second one, click on it, the second picture, then click on animate. To animate it, click on create an animation, then hold your shift down and drag it gently up. This is it. Okay, then the speed is okay. Then where we're having movement, the movement styles, click on it, fix it for steady, then click on done. Then the picture, reduce it, then let's play it. This is okay. Let me do the third page. Left click on the page, the second page, then duplicate. Once you duplicate, come to the audio, click on it, left click on it, then duplicate track, fix it here. Then the third page, click on the third page, click on camera, come to position. The second one, click on it, the second picture, click on it, then click on animate, delete the animation. Okay, let's play it. Okay, to animate the third page, click on the camera. From there, click on position. Then this is the first one, the second one, this is the third one, click on it. Then click on animate. Click on create an animation. Your shift, hold it down, take it up, drag it up gently this way. This is okay. Then the speed, reduce it. Come to movement styles, click on it, then fix it for steady, click on done. Therefore, let's play it. Therefore, follow this process to add photos or product images to your graphic motion video arts. However, for this video not to be too long, I will add other photos and show you the final result. So wait a bit. Here it is. This is the final result. As you can see, I have added additional 4 pages to the design. So you are good to go to adjust the timing of the flare, camera shutter audio, and the images to match one another. Let's play it from the timeline. This is lovely. Or let's play the final video from here. Here it is. You can see This is very lovely. If you want to make any advert to your products, you can do it in this way. This is very awesome. Order now. Very fantastic. This is how to create a video or motion graphic tutorial in Canva on how to create product video ads using Canva Polaroid effects. If you found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, drop your comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.